Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, you have just received a code for Nitro or game, and then you're still confused on how to redeem it. No worry guys, because you've come to the right place. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can redeem it. First of all, you can go to the user setting and then you're going to go to the gift inventory. Okay, and here you will be able to find a menu to redeem the code that you received for Nitro or game. You just need to type in the code here and then you can click on redeem. That's as simple, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to redeem a code on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye!